How to join a club on MataSync. Want to be part of a club or organization here at CSUN? Follow organization events and discover opportunities? Well, this is what MataSync is for. After logging in, using your CSUN credentials, you can locate all the details of what's going on within CSUN. Here, you can browse all the organizations and clubs that are active at CSUN. If you scroll all the way down, you can click on Load More to view more active organizations. Look for what organization best fits you and your interests. You can also look for an organization by filtering the organization list by categories. This gives the ability to look up clubs and organizations under their indicated category label. Have a club or organization in mind already that you want to join? Simply search the name of the organization in the search bar. Once you have found the organization, click on it. This is the information page. If you notice on the top right corner of the site, there are two tabs, Join and Contact. The Contact tab allows you to send a message to the organization prior to joining. Here, you can type your interests. Then, by clicking on Join, a join request will be sent to the organization's officers, who will on their end will accept or deny your request. Once one of the organization's officers accepts your request, you can view the organization's MataSync page under Memberships. Now you can keep track of your events.